Our story begins billions of years ago. Imagine a vast, dark cloud of gas and dust. It's cold, chaotic, and swirling with the remnants of dead stars. This is the cosmic nursery for our solar system. Gravity, the ultimate sculptor, slowly pulls this cloud together. As the cloud collapses, it spins faster and faster. The center heats up, becoming a fiery ball of hydrogen and helium. This is the birth of our sun. Around this newborn star, the remaining dust and gas clump together like cosmic dust bunnies under a couch. These clumps collide and stick together, growing larger over millions of years. These are the seeds of planets, destined to become the familiar worlds of our solar system. One of these, a fiery ball of molten rock, is our Earth in its infancy. Imagine Earth as a giant ball of molten rock, bombarded from all sides. Early Earth was a chaotic and violent place. Leftover debris from the solar system's formation rained down on the young planet. These cosmic missiles, some as large as small moons, slammed into Earth with incredible force. These impacts generated immense heat, melting rock and sending fiery plumes into the primitive atmosphere. Volcanoes erupted across the surface, spewing lava and gases into the sky. It was a scene of intense heat, fire, and constant bombardment. This was Earth's baptism by fire. As Earth cooled, something incredible happened. The fiery rain of meteors brought more than just destruction. They carried within them something essential for life: water. Locked within these cosmic travelers, water molecules were released upon impact, vaporizing into the atmosphere. Over millions of years, the Earth cooled enough for this water vapor to condense. Rain fell from the sky, relentless and torrential. This constant downpour formed the first oceans, covering Earth's surface in a vast, salty expanse. This was a turning point. Our planet was no longer a fiery hellscape, but a world of liquid water. The oceans were more than just water. They were a chemical laboratory, where the ingredients for life began to mix. Sunlight provided energy, and volcanic vents spewed forth chemicals from deep within the Earth. This created a primordial soup, rich in the building blocks of life. Over time, simple organic molecules formed in this soup. These molecules, through processes still not fully understood, assembled themselves into more complex structures. Eventually, life emerged from this chemical dance, changing the destiny of our planet. From a chaotic cloud of gas and dust, a fiery ball of molten rock, and a planet covered in water, Earth transformed into the cradle of life we know today. It's a testament to the power of cosmic forces and the incredible journey that led to our own existence.